Coming up, we're going around Georgetown in Malaysia by foot, showing you the must-see street art, passing Jetty. We'll also have a glimpse at the Esplanade, then we're visiting Little India where we found a place where you have to eat. Hey champs, what's happening? Welcome to another episode of Tag Along with Joy. We are in Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia, and in several episodes we're showing you the beauty of this island, and now we're gonna show you Georgetown. We're going to the Jetty, the floating villages where the Chinese been settled down since the 19th century. We're taking you to Little India, the Esplanade, and we're gonna check out a lot of street art because we are in a very urban part of the city. And I'm saying we're not doing this alone, we're doing this with Ilona!
Hey, what's happening, champ?
Let's go! It is not only the beautiful architecture here that is making this place, Georgetown, such a beautiful town, such a beautiful city. No, it's also because of this beautiful oil paintings. Since 2012, the Lithuanian artist Zak Zacharevic has been placing this beautiful street art all over Georgetown. I will definitely pin all the locations that we're going through, passing, in the description down below. Seriously, in this area of Georgetown there are hundreds of wall paintings all over. It's a must-see in Georgetown. And if you're not impressed by the looks of this town, you also can just do some shopping here and there. There's a lot of souvenir shops. It's a very touristic part of town. Penang has been so far beautiful. We're also showing you where the Chinese have been settled down since the 19th century. That's where we're going right now. And we're walking through this beautiful part of the city. And this place is full of surprising. What are you seeing, Ilona? The beauty of Penang. What do you got? Another beautiful side. This picture will show on my Instagram. I'm not very active on Instagram, but at least you can see where we exactly are, because we are on YouTube. We are a little bit ahead, so we're probably already in Ipoh or either way in Kuala Lumpur when you're watching this. This one is one of the famous ones, and you're gonna have to be quick because this one is already 10, 11 years old, and slowly the oil painting is fading. You're gonna have to be quick this year, next year. Come on, book your trip to Penang, Malaysia. I think this one is Ilona's favorite because you can actually sit on the bike. And then again, you're gonna have to be quick though. In another, I don't know, 15, 20 years. This one has got a little ceiling on top of it, so it's probably gonna remain good for a longer while. But I think we're gonna have to take some pictures. Welcome to Jetty. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We don't know exactly what to expect. We've got welcomed by a beautiful Chinese temple. So they're basically walking above water here already. It's a proper jetty. All the structures that we see, all the buildings, all the shops are from wood. It's amazing to see how this got all developed. Since more than 10 decades, the Chinese have been living here, turning in Chinese Malay. Ilona was just saying this is more like it feels like a floating market, like you got a lot of floating markets in Southeast Asia. You got a similar feel to it. We decided to come here in the afternoon. The trip that we're showing you today, the walking tour through Georgetown, you can do in like 3 hours, 4 hours if you take it easy. We're gonna include some lunch as well. But especially in this particular place, yeah, you're gonna have to consider to get up really early in the morning, because the locals will do their morning ritual here at the temple in the front, and there will be less tourists here. But right now, at the moment, there are not many tourists anyway. I think this is beautiful no matter what time of the day. Hello. What is this?
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit?
Yeah.
Only passion fruit or with water?
Passion and honey.
And honey?
Yeah.
Ooh. Can I try this? Or can we have one? How much is one?
5 ringgit.
5 ringgit? There you go.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Passion fruit and honey. Thank you. So we've got a little cold drink. Ilona was already sitting at the jetty, on the end of the jetty. And I thought we might as well have a little cold drink together. We just bought one. Very healthy passion fruit honey drink. Couldn't resist.
Welcome.
From here we are walking to the Esplanade. It's about a 13-minute walk, Google Maps is saying. And you also can do it on these bicycles, or the tricycles, I have to say. We chose to walk because we can, slowly experience the city. It is a little bit difficult to walk here. There is a walking path on the other side, but to get there as well, it's not really easy. So if you have difficulties walking, you might want to consider a taxi ride from the jetty to the Esplanade. They done this place up pretty well. It is clean, it looks new. There is not much shade walking here at the waterfront, but we are very lucky that the sun is hiding behind the clouds. It's about 32 degrees today. It's a hot day, hot summer day in Malaysia. I hope you're still enjoying the ride. Let's check out this historical establishment, the Esplanade. There are cold drinks for sale here at the Esplanade, but we are fancying a mango lassi. In fact, Ilona is fancying a mango lassi. And where can we do this better than Little India? Let's go to our next destination. And suddenly we are in Little India. The Bollywood flyers are hanging on the wall. There's some Hindi music playing. Let's go to India for the next few minutes. So I've got the feeling I'm walking in a movie, like literally.
Mango lassi.
Mango lassi.
Sushi?
Sushi? No, sushi. Sushi. Parenka, sambal base, chicken warubal, chicken gravy, pepper chicken, puru kesari. The name of the restaurant is Sushi.
Shusi Banana leaf.
Sushi Banana leaf.
Shusi Banana leaf.
We're gonna taste it, and if it tastes good, we're gonna have to send you here as well in Little India in Penang, right?
Shusi Banana.
Okay, are you the owner?
Yeah, no, my workers.
Okay.
My boss are that different.
And the flavors of India right there. We only want to get a drink. Yeah? Oh, serious face. Is it seriously good? We've got 3 different curries. Yeah, 2 with chicken, 1 with vegetable. We've got roti, we've got chicken gravy, and the mango lassi is what we came here for. We had to take you inside for some Indian little food experience. I'm not gonna tell you too much about it. It is just very, very bagus, sedap. Very sedap.
อร่อยมาก
Aloy mak. For the people that are still interested in Thailand, we are based in Thailand, but we are now showing the beauty of Malaysia, and we had to show you Georgetown. Hopefully you enjoyed the Georgetown walking tour with us. We're gonna spend several episodes here on Penang. We're taking you to Ipoh on a little road trip. KL is on the menu, and we are gonna show you a lot of Kuala Lumpur. It will be culture, a lot of street interviews. We're gonna show you the whole package. We are carrying on eating. The champ of the day is Putih Putih. Thank you for welcoming us in Malaysia. We are loving it so far. We would like to say from this beautiful island in the north of Malaysia, Penang, from Georgetown, bye for now and stay champ.